Here we will create a window application that create debit and credit activities to a saving transaction table. For this, first we will add a Windows form and I will name it as SB Trans. Then we will add controls on it. Here I have added these controls. First is account number, then transaction date, transaction type, amount, balance and payment mode. Here we have already created two tables, SB Master and SB Trans. SB Master table contains account number, name, opening date, opening balance, payment mode and check number. And SB Trans table contains account number, date, transaction type, debit amount, credit amount, balance, payment mode, check number and status. Here I have created one ID field as a primary key, which is auto number. Now we will write a code for this. First we will write a connection string and form clear, got focus, lost focus methods. For connection I will import system.data.oldb. Here I have written the connection string with provider Microsoft.ace.oldb 12.0, data source and path of the database name. Then I have created this connection object. Then I declared a command object, that's oldb cmd new oldb command. Here I have written this set connection method to make the connection with the data source. Then this form clear method to clear the controls of a form. Then got focus method, lost focus method and on focus and on lost focus methods. And after initialize component I call this control got focus, control lost focus method, form clear, and I set the date time picker with current date, that is date time dot today. Then we will write a new buttons click event. At new buttons click event, first we will clear the form before adding any data. Then we will set the flag equal to A and we will set the focus to account number. Now we will write the code for account number. As we have already created the account in Saving Master, here when user input the account number, it will get the customer name from Saving Master table. So at account numbers key down event, we will write a code. At account number key down event, first we will check if pressed key is enter key. So if e dot key code equal to keys dot enter. After that, first we will call the set connection method and we will write a command, select cname from SB Master where account number equal to the value entered in text box account number. And first we will check if the value is null or not. If it is null, we will display the message check account number and we will clear the account number and we will set the focus to account number. Else we will assign the CNAME selected from the SB Master to TXT CNAME, which is the text box for displaying the customer name. Then we will set the focus to date and we will close the connection. Now we will write the code for transaction date key down event. Here also we will check e dot key code equal to keys dot enter. If it is true, we will set the focus to transaction type. So CMB type dot focus. Here we have set the transaction type with credit and debit. Credit is used to add amount in current balance and debit is used to withdraw the amount from the current balance. Then we will write a key down event for transaction type. Here also we will check first e dot key code equal to keys dot enter, and here if the value selected from the combo box is in the combo box or not. For this I have used this selected index property of the combo box. So if CMB type dot selected index is less than 0, it will give the message select proper data, and it will set the event, that is e dot handled equal to true. So it will set the focus again to combo box, and else it will check if CMB type dot selected index equal to 0, it will set the TXT status equal to CR, that is the status is credited, that is you are going to deposit the amount, and else TXT status equal to DR, that is debited, amount is withdrawal from the current balance. And then we will open the connection, and if flag is A, that is you are going to insert the record, we have to find the last balance of that current account in which we are going to debit or credit the inputted amount. So for this we are going to use the select query with select top one balance from SB trans, where account number equal to the account inserted into the text box txt SENUM, and we will use order by ID and descending. So it will get the last balance of that particular account, and then we will assign it to the txt OPBL with cmd dot execute scalar method. Then we will close the connection. I will set the focus to amount. Then we will write a key down event for amount. Here I will write if e dot key code equal to keys dot enter. Here first I will check if CMB type, that is transaction type, is 0, that is we are going to credit the amount. So txt OPBL equal to current balance plus the amount inputted into the text box, and else, that is if we are going to debit the amount, first it will check the inputted amount is less than or greater than current balance. If current balance is less than the inputted amount, it will display amount should be less than current balance, and it will set e dot handled equal to true. Else it will make opening balance minus the amount inputted into the text box, and we will set the focus to payment mode. Then we will write the key down event for payment mode. Here first we will check if e dot key code equal to keys dot enter, and if it is true we will check payment mode. If payment mode dot selected index equal to 0, we will make check number 2 visible false, that is txt chqno dot visible equal to false and lbl chqno dot visible equal to false, and we will assign the default dash value to the checkbox, and we will set the focus to save button. And if it is 1, that is payment mode is check, we will set the check number to visible true, and we will set the focus to check number. Then we will write the key down event for check number. Here also we will check if e dot key code equal to keys dot enter. We will first check whether check number is blank or not. So if txt chqno dot text equal to blank. We will give the message box, enter proper check number, and we will set the e dot handled equal to true, else we will set the focus to BTN save. Now at save buttons click event, we will write a code. Here in database, we have added two fields, credit amount and debit amount. That is, if you are going to credit the amount, then it will assign the value to CRAMT, and if you are going to debit the amount, it will assign the value to debit amount. For this, I have declared these two variables, CRAMT and DRAMT, which is initialized with 0, and if transaction type, that is, if CMB type dot selected index equal to 0, that is, you are going to credit the amount, I will assign CRAMT equal to the amount inputted into the text box, else I will assign the amount to DRAMT, and then we will call the set connection method and we will check if flag equal to A, we are going to execute the insert query. So I have written this CMD equal to new OLEDB, insert into SB trans, account number, transaction date, CRAMT, DRAMT, balance, payment mode, check number, status and transaction type, and we are going to set the values with account number, date, the variable CRAMT and DRAMT, balance, payment mode and check number, then txt status dot text and transaction type, and we will execute CMD execute non-query. Now to execute, we will set it as a startup form in program.cs, and we will execute it. I will click on new button. I will insert the account number 1. It will display the customer name, which we are going to take from SB master table. Then transaction date, then debit or credit, I will set credit. It will display the previous balance 800. In table we can check the previous balance is 800. Here I will input 100 rupees. It will increase the balance to 900, and payment mode, if I set cash, it will set the visible false of check number, and it will save the record and give the message record inserted. If we check in table, here date is added, transaction type is credit, credit amount is 100 and current balance is 900. Now we will write a code for modify button. Here I have written this code. First I will clear the form, then I will set the flag equal to M, and I will set the focus to account number. And we will write a code at transaction date key down event for getting data from the SB trans table. Here first we will check if flag equal to M or flag equal to D. We will read the data from SB trans table. So if flag equal to M or D, I have written this code. First we will open the connection and we will use select star from SB trans, where account number equal to the account number entered in the text box and date equal to the date entered into the date time picker. Since a single account can have multiple records, we will get the record for the date inserted into the date time picker. We will assign it to data reader, and while data reader.read, we will get the data from the SBtrans table. Since their primary key is ID, I have added this ID field in which we will get the SBtrans ID field. Then according to status, I will get the credit amount or debit amount to our text box, and according to the payment mode, if it is cash, we will set the check number to visible false, else we will set the check number equal to visible true, and we will assign the check number to text box, and we will set the focus to transaction type. And at transaction type key down event, we will get the previous balance from the table. That is, when we are going to update this record, we should get the balance 800 from the table. So for this, if flag equal to M or D, we will write this code. Select top one balance from SBtrans where account number equal to account number, ID should be less than the txt ID value. When flag is A, that is when we are going to insert a record, we will get the last balance, and if it is modified or delete, we will get the previous balance of the current record, and we will assign it to txt_opbal. And at save buttons click event, we will write a code for modify. So else if flag equal to M, we will write update query. Here update query is written. So if flag equal to M, we will use update SBtrans set CRAMT DRAMT balance. We will give the where condition account number equal to this and ID equal to txt ID. Now we will execute it. I will click on modify. I will enter the account number 1, and it will display the previous balance 800, that is post record balance 800. Now we will change this 100 rupees to 50. It will set the balance to 850 cash and save. It will give the message record updated. If we check on SBtrans table, the record is updated with credit amount 50 and balance is 850. Now we will write a code for delete button. Here at delete buttons key down event, first we will call the form clear method, then we will set the flag equal to D, and we will set the focus to account number. Now at transaction date key down event, we will write a code for deleting a record. Here after displaying the data, we will check if flag equal to D. We will write a command for deleting a record. Before deleting, first it will ask, are you sure? And if it is yes, it will execute the command delete from SBtrans where ID equal to, and we will execute this with execute non-query. Then we will flag equal to null, then form clear and button new focus. And before setting, here we will check if flag equal to A or flag equal to M. We will set the focus to CMB type. Then we will execute it. We will click on delete button and I will enter the account number 1 at transaction date key down event, it will display the data and it will ask, are you sure? If I click on yes, it will delete the record. Here in SB Trans, we will check second record is deleted. At cancel buttons click event, we will write a code, we will reset the flag, we will clear the form and we will set the focus to BTN new, and we will set the form's cancel button property to BTN cancel. So, when we press the escape key, it will execute the cancel buttons code. So, it will clear the form and will set the focus to BTN new. And at exit buttons click event, we will write this dot close.